Hey guys, welcome to Studio 9 and today we will be seeing how to add captions or subtitles to your videos in Premiere Pro. So before we head into this video, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel and click that notification button so you never miss one of my videos. Now the method that I'm going to show you to add your subtitles or captions is going to burn those captions or subtitles into your video. So you're going to have one file, which is your video. And when you play that file, the subtitles are going to appear on the video. Because another method of how you do that is to have a separate file. So when you play that video in your media player, that subtitle file is also picked up by the media player. So let's start by importing our media here. And see here, I have my sample video here, labeled video. I'm going to put this here. So now we're going to place this video onto our timeline. And you see, this is a nice little video. Now for the purpose of making my video, I'm just going to shorten this video up a bit. So to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to go into this file option here. And you're going to go to the new option. You're going to come down here and find the captions option, which for me is under the black video option. So you're going to click on captions. And now you have all these options. What I'll be doing is clicking on open captions. So we're going to burn the captions onto our video as I've already mentioned. We click OK and there you go, captions. Now once again you place it onto your timeline and you extend this item on the timeline to match our video. Now to edit our captions, what we're going to do, we're just going to double click here, and now you see we have all these options here. So to see all the options, I'm just going to drag this here. Now down here may notice that we have this item here. This will be the caption itself. So from here we can change the duration of the caption, etc. So this video has no audio, that is how I've kept it. So we're just going to add some random dialogues that may fit into the scene. If we play this, let's start with, now this is going to be our plan for the next quarter, because that is what it looks like, a team which is planning something for the financial business. So let's type, now this is going to be our plan. Let's put it on the next line for the next quarter. Now you also have a number of options you can use to edit this text that you have. So you can bolden it, you can italicize it. To edit the whole text, we're just gonna select the whole thing. So you can bolden the whole thing, italicize it, underline it. And then you can also select the background. So maybe I want to change the background to white. You can also change the text color. So since the background is white, let's keep the text color black. You can see this. You also have an option of outlines. So let's keep our outline once again red, just so it's distinguishable. So you can increase it or decrease it. But let's change all those options back. So now maybe you may think that this caption here looks too sharp in the video. Maybe the black background looks too sharp. So what you can do is you can click on this background option and you can change the opacity that. So you can either increase it or decrease it. This looks fine to me. Excuse me. This looks fine to me. So we're just quickly going to play this. And this is going to be a plan for the next quarter. And over here, since she's being handed that item, she can just say, can I see that? Can I see that? So now you may notice both of them are of the same format. So what it does is when you add a new caption, it looks at the previous caption and it records that format and uses that in the new caption. So we start with, now this is going to be a new plan. And then let's move this a bit ahead so that our caption doesn't look like too intrusive and too fast changing. But we can also shorten this. Keep this here. So let's play this now. The next quarter. Can you see that? And then maybe she says, Let's put that up as a reminder. So now she's putting that up on the chart, we can just place that somewhere around here. So this is going to be like a small sample that we're going to be adding. Let's extend that. You can also change the duration of the clip depending on how long the dialogue or the text is. So just for context, I'm adding the dialogues of this young lady here. So let's play this once more. And this is going to be our plan for the next quarter. Can I see that? Let's put that up as a reminder. And that was it for the video. Now you're also going to have to do a bit of settings in the export options. So what we're going to do, we're just quickly going to save this. And we'll go into export, which is right here for me under the files tab. So I'm going to go and export media, where you can also use Control M as a shortcut for that. So now you have your standard export setting options. But in this one, you have to go to the captions option here, which you may not have done before if you're watching this video for the first time and learning how to add captions. So you're going to go to the export options. So what this does is allow us to either burn the captions onto the video or make a separate file. So we're going to be burning the captions onto a video. And then let's quickly export it. So now we have our video right here. Let us double click on it. And you'll see, I'll just state this, you see only this one file. You will only see this one file called video because that's the name I've kept for it. You don't see any other separate subtitle files. So as I've said before, the burn captions onto video option literally burns the captions on the video. It keeps it there on the video as you've kept it. So now you can see, can I see that? So guys, that was the whole method as to how you can do that. Once again, don't forget to like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel and click the notification button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.